Hi, I'm Daria D'Souza Brito from Daria Integrated Solutions. In March, a close friend of mine asked me to delete a website that had taken me 2 years to build. So I landed up building ScopeLock, 13 days for the Replit Buildathon, an app to stop clients quietly taking more than they paid for. And then I never used it. Not because I forgot, because when the moment came, mid-project, with the client waiting on a reply, I could not work out how to use the thing that I'd built for exactly that moment. So I absorbed the work. It cost me $17,000, and they say that some of the most expensive lessons are the quickest lessons that you learn. And even the name was wrong. ScopeLock, two other products in the same niche were already called ScopeLock, both older than mine. If mine had taken off and gone viral, success itself would have forced me to have had to rename it. Now, ScopeLock was not wasted. The calculator is good, the contract checker is good. They will come back as their own products, but the tool I needed that day has to be simpler than the problem. An AmendNote was born, so this is the one I will actually use. You paste the ask, exactly as the client sent it, 3 replies come back, trade it, price it, or let it go on the record. You pick one, the client only ever sees that one. AmendNote, designed and shipped in public for the Replit Designathon. Happy scope creep prevention. Thank you for your time.